Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can turn any Figma design to a complete website using Claude Code step by step. So here you can see this is a animated website. There is a lot of complex design and animation. So let me just show you the website. There is some hover effect as well. So the design is quite complex and I'm going to show you how you can make the exact same design with just a single prompt in Claude Code, and I'll show you everything step by step from the very beginning. So first of all, what you're going to do is that we're going to open our Cloud app. So I'm going to search over here, Cloud, click here. So it will open the Cloud Code over here, and here you can see we have the code option. So I'm going to click here code, and we are in the code option. So right now here I already created a project, that's why it is selected a folder. So we're going to change this folder. So for it I'm going to click on this folder and I'm going to create a new folder over here. I'll just right click on new folder. Let's say the folder name will be Figma website. So I'll just select this folder, then click here select folder, and we're going to trash the workspace, and there you can see this folder is showing over here. So right now what you need to do first is that I'm going to bypass the permission. So I'll click here bypass permission, then click here bypass permission again. So after that, here you can see we have the plus icon. We need to click on plus icon, and then here you can see connector and browse connector. So we're going to click here browse connector. So here you can see I have connected a few app over here. Here you can see I have already connected Canva, and I already have connected Figma. So the connection is really simple. All you need to do is that you need to click on the plus icon, then it will tell you to log in. So you just need to log into your Figma account. Okay, so you will see a lot of skill over here. So you should also add some skill, for example canvas design, MCP builder, learn, skill creator, theme factory. So those will help you build your website design faster and better, and you will find a lot of plugin as well. So I have added some plugin, for example design and data and productivity. Okay, so I'll close this. So since I already have my Figma account connected, so what I'm going to do is I'll just go to my Figma account, which is this one. So I just opened it over here, you can see. So I'm just going to copy the link from here, Control C, and I'll go to my cloud. Let me just make it bigger, and here I'm going to give the link, and here we are going to say this is a Figma design, can you access the design in my Figma account, analyze the design for me, and I'm just going to click here. So right now Claude Code will check the Figma design, and there you can see Cloud is right now analyzing the project. And there is one more thing I would like to suggest you to do is that you should install the Claude Code extension in your browser. So in order to install the Claude Code extension in the browser, then what you need to do is that you just need to say over here Chrome Web Store, and after that here you can see chromewebstore.google.com. You just need to click here, then you need to search over here Cloud, and there you can see Cloud. So you need to click here and you need to click on this button. So I already add this Cloud extension in my browser, that is why it is showing remove from Chrome. So after adding the extension, you need to log in to your Cloud Code account. So what will happen is that Cloud Code will be able to run the project in your browser and check whether the design and the website it is building match with each other or not. So there you can see the analysis is complete. So right now what I'm going to do is that I'm just going to say over here build me the exact same website like the Figma design, and press enter. So right now based on the analysis, Cloud Code will design us the same website that we made in Figma, and there you can see live preview loading interaction may not be saved. So it is done by Cloud Code since I have Cloud installed as a extension. Okay, so right now it is going to take some time, so I'll just fast forward the video until it's complete. So here you can see our website is complete, and let me just make this bigger. So this is the whole website, and the design is match almost with our design. So I think it match with like 90% with the design. So we can just give a few more prompt and we can match it 100%. And if you want to find the project, what you need to do is that you need to go to where you have saved your project, which was for my case new volume E, and the project was this one, Figma website. And there you can see, so you can run this project from here. And if you are not sure how to run it, you can also ask Claude Code how do you run the project, and Claude Code will guide you. So yeah, I hope this tutorial was useful. If you have any question or any suggestion, just let me know in the comment section. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorial.